Hello viewers, my name is Jotham SK of ChrisDo. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can compose your shots, how you can frame your shots to look cinematic, just like the way you see in those movies you admire to watch all the time. So if you want to learn and even make your movies to look better, make your compositions to look better, make sure that you watch this video till the end. As you can hear, the sound is too much in this place. We are filming from where we trained from as ChrisDo. We work hand in hand with John 316 to bring you the best experience of film production here in Uganda. So if you're outside there and you want to learn how to make good movies, how to make films, how to film, how to do photography and all that, just come and join our school. It is called John 3 Film School here in Uganda. Right now we are not online, we are not offering online courses, but very soon we shall be doing so. But it's just here in Uganda, just come and join us. We shall be glad to receive you. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, welcome back from that intro. When you get to a place or a location, what you have to do first is to look out for places where you're going to place your talent, where you're going to place your camera, where you're going to place your gears, and make sure that everything is in order so that you can start filming and you don't waste a lot of time on the location. So make sure that your location is very clean. Take your time to clean your location. After cleaning your location, make sure that you place everything in order, just like the way I said. Put everything in order, because when you're filming, you don't want to waste a lot of time. You're going to keep on changing the talent, changing the equipment, the camera, moving the gears around. So if you don't want to waste time, make sure that you make everything in order. Then number two, make sure that you don't just start recording minus testing your background, or the background is going to stand out. Just like you can see, this location is a bit huge, not all that big, but it is big. So as a cinematographer, you have to decide where you're going to place your camera, where you're going to place your talent, and make sure that your background serves your subject. When you place your talent for background that is blown out, like you can see in that shot, when you place them here, things are not going to look good. They are not going to look, even if you try to compensate for the background light, still your subject will not be exposed. It will be like a silhouette, and you're not going for a silhouette look. So make sure that you look for a background that will help your shots to stand out. You can try out different backgrounds, like the one you can see here. If you try to put our talent in this background, still it is not all looking that good, because we are placing the talent just next to the wall, and the wall is very plain, nothing is there, and that will not make your shot to be cinematic. Even when you try this shot, it has some blue, and even you can see the lower part has some those tones. We are trying to make the shot look a little bit cinematic, but not all that making it look cinematic. The background that is going to work for us here, it is this background right here. So this is where we're going to film from, just in case maybe it was an interview or maybe it was a movie shot. Like I said, my friend, you have to test out different backgrounds. Don't not just stick to one and you start recording and you think you'll get cinematic shots. Make sure that you try out different backgrounds. Make sure that you're not placing your talents where the backgrounds are blown out, because that will not make your shot to look cinematic. Thank you for watching the video. Just in case it was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Like I told you, this channel is here to help us filmmakers grow and even earn some good money as filmmakers. So we talk about the video business, the video side, or rather the business side, and we even talk about how you can improve your skills as a filmmaker or as a videographer. I know so many people, filmmakers, don't want to be called videographers, but what can we do? If our local people call us videographers, still it is okay. So if you really want to improve your skills and become better at filmmaking, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like the video, and even share with your friends. My friends, do not forget that the kingdom of heaven is near. Do not even forget to repent. So what you have to do, repent now. Jesus is coming back, and he should come back when we are well prepared. Thank you. I don't feel like going. I feel like staying here so that we can have a chat, friends. But we cannot do that. You have stuff to go and do. So you can go and do your stuff. I stay here and do my stuff.